Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix camera unavailable in your Porsche. The solution will work for the Porsche Cayenne, for the Porsche Macan, Panamera, 911, 718, Boxster, and the Porsche Cayman. So if you have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So one of the fixes we can try is resetting our system. So if you want to do that, it's pretty simple. Just go to your settings right here, scroll down until you find system, give it a click, and then here you're gonna find language and keyboard, date and time, units, software information, and in the bottom you're gonna find reset system to factory settings. Give it a click, and then here you're gonna find this confirmation message. Are you sure you want to reset all your personal data and settings? This process cannot be reversed. So if you are sure, you can remove and wipe all of your data, your driving profiles and so on. Click on reset, and then to see if your fix is working, go back, click on parking, click on show surroundings, and then your camera should be working fine. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.